And as India goes after Khalistani extremists, back in Canada, a Khalistani terrorist is spewing hate against Hindus. His name is Gurpatwant Singh Pannun. You may be familiar with this name by now. Last week, a hateful video featuring Pannu went viral. In the video, he was seen openly threatening Hindus living in Canada, asking them to return to India. Now, on this show, we've decided not to air the video and give this man a platform. But we'll tell you what he said. These were his exact remarks. Indo-Canadian Hindus, you have repudiated your allegiance to Canada and the Canadian Constitution. You not only support India, but you are also supporting the suppression of speech and expression of pro-Khalistan Sikhs. Your destination is India. Leave Canada, go to India. Take a look. Now, I want to stress on the last bit. Leave Canada, go to India. Isn't this an open provocation according to Mr. Trudeau? Isn't this a credible reason to arrest this hate monger? Why then is he not behind bars yet? This is a question that Canada's own citizens are asking their government to answer. 24 hours back, a Toronto-based law firm wrote a letter to Canada's Minister of Immigration. This is what the letter states. I'm quoting. Mr. Pannun's recent comments have caused distress and trauma not only within the Hindu community but also among Canadian citizens at large. The distribution of a hateful video through various social media platforms has further exacerbated these concerns. The situation is deeply troubling. Canada must not tolerate the incitement of violence directed at a specific group within its borders. It doesn't end there. The letter also cited provisions in Canadian law under which Pannu can be punished, Section 319 of Canada's Criminal Code to be precise. It makes incitement of hatred against a quote-unquote identifiable group a crime punishable under law. Has Canada invoked this section against Pannu? Let me rephrase the question. Has Canada done anything against Pannu? The answer is a big fat no. The man is still out and about. There has been no police case, no FIR, no action whatsoever. So this begs the question, is Canada deliberately protecting this man? Is he operating with the blessings of the Canadian government? Because this is not a standalone incident. Gurpatwant Singh Pannun has a history of spewing hate against India and Hindus. Let me take you through his profile, also his report card of anti-India remarks and activities. To start with, who is Gurpatwant Singh Pannun? Well, he's a lawyer by profession who hails from Kankot, a village in Punjab's Amritsar. He reportedly founded Sikhs for Justice in 2007 in the United States. The aim of this body is to establish a sovereign Sikh state in the Indian state of Punjab. In 2014, he started filing cases against Indian leaders and lawmakers. In 2016, due to one of the cases filed against him, Punjab's then Chief Minister had to cancel his visit to Canada. Let me now take you through this man's hateful activities. Pannu faces a total of 22 criminal cases. This includes 3 cases of sedition in Punjab. In 2018, he organized a pro-Khalistan gathering in London for the creation of Khalistan. In 2018, he was declared a terrorist by the Indian government under Section 51 of the UAPA. That's the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. He frequently offers rewards for raising the purported Khalistan flag to his followers. In the past, he has also threatened to target Hindu temples and businesses if Hindus did not leave Canada. And on the 3rd of September, a week before the G20 summit took place in India's capital, he threatened to balkanize India, to create a separate state for Sikhs called Khalistan and a separate state for Muslims called Urdustan. Yes, these are the kind of bizarre and delusional threats that this man has made. The question is, how is a man who has made such threats allowed to function freely in Canada? I mean, there's a difference between free speech and outright hate speech. The Canadian Prime Minister should know better. He likes accusing other nations of targeting minorities when radicals like Gurpatwant Singh Pannun and extremist organizations like Sikhs for Justice are openly spreading venom against the Hindu community. Here's hoping Mr. Trudeau raises the issue in the Canadian Parliament. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.